Class 2 English. Okay, let's start now. So, today we'll do another chapter lesson from Unit 2. Now, we have done one poem from Unit 1. Now we are doing another poem from Unit 2. What does little birdie say? Write the date, 22nd 2. What does little birdie say in her nest at peep of the day? Okay. Let me fly, say the little birdie. Mother, let me fly now. What is the little bird saying to the mother in the nest? They are saying to the mother, let me fly. Okay, mother, let me fly away. Small birds, they want to fly because they want to fly. They have seen their mother flying, so they want to also fly. So they are telling the mother, mother, let me fly. Birdie, rest a little longer till the little wings are stronger. Okay, so she rests a little longer and then flies away. Then telling, mother is telling, birdies, rest a little longer till your wings are, make your wings little more stronger so that you can fly nicely. So she rests a little longer. So the small birds rest a little longer and then flies away. Clear? This is the poem. Very simple and very easy. Now, peep, longer, stronger is a new words. Tick the correct answer. The little birdies stay in her house, room, nest, hut. Nest. Little birdies say, let me play, let me eat, let me fly, let me rest, let me fly. The mother tells the little birdie to fly away, fly a little further, make the wings little stronger, rest a little longer. They say rest a little longer. The birdies rest a little longer, then lays eggs, flies away, rest a little longer and then sleeps. The birdies rest a little longer and then flies away. Now question answers. Does the little birdie want to fly away? Yes. The birdies want to fly away. Don't do the question answers. I will give you the question answers in the group. You will write the answers and you will learn. What does mother tell the little birdie? Mother tells the little birdie to rest a. Mother tells the little birdie to rest a little longer. Describe little birdie fly away. Does the little birdie fly away at once? No. Little birdie does not fly away at once. Till when does the little birdie rest? Till the wings become stronger, they rest. Till their wings become stronger, they rest. Peep, dip, keep, rhyming words. Long, strong, wrong, rhyming words. Let, meet, gate, rhyming words. Okay, for today this much. Question answers I will give you in the group. Okay. So this chapter's lessons finishes over here. Let's do the same lesson workbook. Okay, open your workbooks. We'll do workbook also today. Interactive English workbook class 2. Let's start with the workbook now. See. We'll do what does little birdie say. This one we'll do. Read the reading for fun. Now let's start to read the story. There's one story. Let us read. Okay, now see. One day, an ant was very thirsty. It went to the river to drink water. Okay, it went to the river what? To drink water. Like the date. Just as it opened its mouth, the rushing water carried the ant away. Okay. One day the ant was very thirsty, so they went to the river to drink water. Just as he opened its mouth, the water carried the ant away. A dove who was flying by, dove is a kind of a bird, who was flying by, saw that the ant was in trouble. He saw that the ant was in very much trouble. He was going away with the water. He broke off a twig. He broke off a small branch. Okay, twig means a small soft branch of a tree and threw twig. Okay, small, and threw it into the water. The ant crawled onto the twig and was saved. Okay, because a small twig is a leaf type of things that will float on the water. So the ant climbed on top of the leaf and he saved himself. Okay. Few days later, a hunter came and pointed a gun at the dove. That bird hunter came and pointed a gun at the dove, who was sitting on a tree. The dove was sitting on a tree. When the ant saw this, it bit the man sharply on the foot. Then the ant he will kill the dove, so he bite the man on the foot. With a shriek of pain, the man got pain. The hunter dropped the gun. Okay, the dove frightened. The dove heard the noise and he got frightened by the noise and he flew away safely. Clear? This time dove saved the ant. Now here the ant saved the dove. Okay. Why did the ant go to the river? This also I will give you. The ant go to the river to drink water. Okay. The ant go to the river to drink what? To drink water. Isn't it? Now, how did the dove save the ant? How did the dove save the ant? The dove saved the now. This one I'll give you, okay? Why did the ant go to the river? The ant go to the river to drink water. Next, how did the dove save the ant? The dove saved the ant by breaking a twig, okay? And he fell the twig in the water. Okay, he broke the twig and he threw the twig in the water. The dove saved the ant. How did the ant save the dove? The ant beat the hunter on his foot and he saved the dove. Okay, these three answers I'll give you now. MCQ, multiple choice question. Multiple choice question. The ant fell into a river, ocean, pond, sea. A river. The dove was sitting on a pot, book, twig, none of this. Not book, twig, so none of this. Who came and pointed the gun at the dove? Tiger, doctor, hunter, merchant. Hunter. Who saw the hunter? Ant, elephant, dog, dove. Ant saw the hunter. Tick the meaning of the stung. Stung means to bite. Bite, chew, pain, scratch. So, stung meaning is to bite. Okay, this one. Stung meaning is to bite. Okay, for today, this much. These question answers I will click and I will give you, okay, in the group. So you will write. Don't write now. For today, this much. Okay. Thank you.